Ready? This is tutorial 2 for Sundays Coming by Phil Wickham. Let's get started. First line. First of all, I am right-handed and I refer to my right hand as my dominant hand or my action hand. And this video is mirrored so you can follow my hand more easily. First line. So he let those soldiers take him in. We're going to go to he. Point up to heaven, he, and let. Put your hands side by side in front of you, pointing down, and scoop out. Let. He let those soldiers. So for soldiers, you're going to place your dominant hand on top, non-dominant on the bottom, like you're holding a pole, a flagpole, or a rifle, armor, and step. If your feet are out, kind of step with them together, like attention, okay? So he let those soldiers take him in. For that phrase, we're going to use the word lead or guide. With your dominant action hand, it's out front, fingers pointing out. Non-dominant is going to grab the top of the fingers like this. And it's like they're being pulled. You're pulling your action hand. You're being led. You're being guided. They took him away. Okay? So let's do that line. He let those soldiers take him in. Next line. As his friend betrayed him with a kiss. His is possessive, so we're going to use the flat hand. As his friend. Friend, we take our hooked fingers with your action hand. It is on top to start off with, and then it's on the bottom. And it's going to be easy to go in to our next sign. Take right hand, hooks on the pointer finger, and then it hooks the opposite way. Friend. Okay. Take your right or your dominant action hand. It's my right. And with your pinky and your index finger, kind of like longhorns, you're going to put it beside your non-dominant finger now that's straight, and you're going to go out. Betrayed, deceived. Okay, this is what it looks like from that angle. Okay, let's go back to friend. My dominant action hand hooks on the other finger. Let's go, and hooks the other way. And then I take it. Now I kind of have my longhorn sign here. And I straighten my non-dominant out, and I go beside it. Betrayed. Let's do that again. As his friend betrayed him with a kiss. We're going to go straight to with a kiss. And take your action dominant hand and just smack your cheek right there like a kiss. Some people do it twice. We're going to do it once in the song. Let's do that entire line again. As his friend betrayed him with a kiss. Next line. There before the mocking crowd. we're going to point in front of us. There before. Now we're going to take both hands and make kind of like the Longhorn sign, and we're going to go back and forth. This is like evil, actually, not nice. The mocking, point your fingers out in front of you and go back and forth. Mocking, and for crowd, wiggle your fingers and come together with your wrists together like a group, like a crowd. So start out here. There's the crowd and they come together in a group. The mocking crowd. Next, let's do that all together. There before the mocking crowd. There before the mocking crowd. Next line. Like a lamb to the slaughter, didn't make a sound. So like is the Y, your pinky and your thumb, and you go side to side. Like a lamb, it's like, remember your scissors, you're shearing the lamb. So like a lamb to the slaughter, we're going to make the sign for death or dead. So my right action hand, my palm is up. My non-dominant hand, my knuckles are up, and you flip. And we're going to use death for slaughter, okay? And didn't make a sound, you're just making an X right there in your chin, mouth area, the chest. Didn't make a sound. Didn't make a sound, okay? Let's do that again. Like a lamb to the slaughter, didn't make a sound. And you can shake your head with that. Didn't make a sound. Then he carried the cross to Calvary. Point to he, up to heaven, and he carried. It's like you're carrying something. The cross to Calvary. We're going to make our hand kind of like a C sign, like it's cupped, and go down. And then from the inside to the outside. So down and across. So let's do that one again. Then he carried the cross to Calvary. Then he carried the cross to Calvary. And he shed his blood to set us free. He, and we're going to go straight to blood. He shed his blood. And then we're going to say, we're going to make freedom to set us free. I've got my F's, my index is on my thumb. I cross with my knuckles out, freedom. Okay? Let's do that line again. He shed his blood to set us free. That was an easier line. Next line, as the nails went in, with my pointer finger, my dominant hand, my action hand, open your non-dominant up, pretend this is a nail, and like you're driving it in, your eyebrows will be down. It will not be a happy face, it's a serious face. As the nails went in, and the sky, bring your hands up above your head and just go across. And the sky went dark. Went dark. Cover your eyes. You can put your head down just a little bit. Went dark. The sky went dark. Let's do that again. As the nails went in, the sky went dark. Next line. The redemption of the world was on his heart. Make R's with both hands. cross the knuckles out. Redemption, kind of like salvation. Redemption of the world. For world, make W's. Place your action dominant hand on top, and it goes around and sets back on top. World. World. The redemption of the world was on your dominant hand, sits on your non-dominant hand right there on the fist. On his heart, with your pointer fingers on the left side. Just draw a heart. Let's do that one again. The redemption of the world was on his heart. Now we go down to the chorus. Friday's good 'cause Sunday's coming. So make your F, turn your knuckles to the front, swirl it around. Friday's good 'cause Sunday's coming. Don't lose hope 'cause Sunday's coming. Don't lose hope 'cause Sunday's coming. Devil, you're done. Got your two hooked fingers, swirl. Devil, you're done. It's like finished. 'Cause Sunday's coming. I messed up there. I'm sorry. Let's go with devil, you're done. Devil, you're done. Better start. Remember your action, your dominant finger, pointer, goes in between your non-dominant and turns that start. Better start. Thumbs up. Running. Let's start with devil, you're done. Devil, you're done. Better start running. And then back to Friday. Friday's good 'cause Sunday's coming. And that's all of tutorial 2. Let's go to the top and go back through it, hopefully more smoothly this time. Here we go. So he let those soldiers take him in as his friends betrayed with a kiss. There before the mocking crowd. Whoops. Like a lamb to the slaughter, didn't make a sound. Then he carried the cross to Calvary, and he shed his blood to set us free. As the nails went in and the sky went dark, the redemption of the world was on his heart. Friday's good 'cause Sunday's coming. Don't lose hope 'cause Sunday's coming. Devil, you're done. Better start running. Friday's good 'cause Sunday's coming. That's it.